this is Tim from Your 6 Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off safe mode on your Android phone. So there's like 3 different ways to turn this off. So you know you're in safe mode when it says safe mode. You can swipe down from the top right, just go to power right here, and then go to restart. It should restart the phone up into the normal mode. Swipe down from the top left, go to where it says safe mode is on, tap this, and you can turn it off right there. Otherwise, you could do a forced restart. Now, usually this is going to be power button and volume down. On your phone, if that doesn't work, you have to do power button, volume up. So just hold both those down at the same time, and it should force restart your phone. If you can see the power button menu, just continue to hold it down, and your phone should restart. And it should just start up normally now. So if you're stuck in safe mode for whatever reason, force restart your phone, and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up, and subscribe to my channel down below for more tackle videos coming up next on Your 6 Studios.